So I would like for you to try this graph. This one here. Y equals to a negative sine 4x. Okay, where the negative, what's that going to do? Yeah, there's a 1 here, that's right. But remember now, amplitude is what?
Oh.
An absolute value, right? Right. Reflects about the x-axis. Now, when it reflects like that, it helps to do that first. Okay, so if this is y equals to sine x, right, and this comes up and around like that, right, and here's a 1 and negative 1 here. So y equals to a negative sine x. Well, instead of coming up, it goes down, right, down and then up. Okay, so it helps to, when you're first starting to do these graphs, it helps to do that first, and then you can go back and get your increments. All right, so go ahead and do those. Find what k is, right, in your period. And while you're doing that, I'll work this out here on the board. So this is original. And if you have to, it really helps to, write the increments down too for the original graph. And that'll help you to remember what those are. Not quite the best sign graph, but not exactly looking to see that it's pretty, just that it's right. Okay, could have been a little bit more symmetrical there, about higher, but anyways, again it helps to see that. Start off with your original sine curve, and then put your increments there, and then go ahead and flip it, and you still have the same increments, and then go ahead off to the side, write your increments over k, and then go ahead and substitute them in, and then it's easy. Now you want to do this, okay, because when we get into shifting, where it shifts right or left, you're really going to need these. All right. So these are important. Some of them are going to be easier than others if it's increments of multiples of 2 pi. Then some of them are going to be easier than others. You won't have to do this every single time, but it really helps with ones like this especially. Okay, questions with that?